Hello and welcome back to the world of the spirit consciousness. This is the book study session on the etheric double by Arthur Powell. We are now in the middle of the seventh module, which covers certain applications as given in the book. The focus of this module is mediumship and ectoplasm, which are in chapters 20 and 24. So this particular video deals with a part of chapter 24. The focus is on work of WJ Crawford. Now, the work of WJ Crawford itself has been split into 5 different videos, and this particular video will deal with introduction and methodology. So, as we discussed, mediumship we had discussed in the previous video. This video and the next 3 more videos would be talking about the work of WJ Crawford, and the next video in the series after the work of Crawford would be the work of Baron von Schrenck-Notzing. So this particular topic is divided into introduction, methodology, findings, use of rods to move objects, and use of rods to create sounds. So the organization of these subject matter, this comprises one video, this comprises second video, this the third, and this the fourth. So coming to introduction, the word ectoplasm is derived from the Greek word ektos, meaning outside, and plasma, meaning something which is molded. Hence, ectoplasm is something which is formed outside the physical human body. It is the term given to matter which is emitted from a medium and is used for scenes room occurrences. This matter is largely but not entirely etheric. So ectoplasm cannot be seen but sometimes can be felt. The ectoplasm is described as cold, damp, oily, and unpleasant, as if dead and awful matter was mixed in the air. So late WJ Crawford, the DSC, conducted detailed investigation into various phenomena like levitation or table lifting and rapping. So he has described these findings in his books, The Reality of Psychic Phenomena in 1916, Experiments in the Physical Science 1918, Psychic Structures 1921. The findings of these investigations are directly relevant to the topic we are currently studying, that is with respect to the etheric double. A brief summary of the results is discussed in this video tutorial and the next 3 video tutorials. For further description, the students are recommended to read the above given books. Having seen introduction, we will now discuss the methodology used by Mr. Crawford. So, Mr. Crawford saw the problem of table lifting as a clear problem of mechanics. He employed various means to examine the phenomena. He used mechanical and electrical devices that register force. So he concluded that he was able to discover the modus operandi of the psychic forces utilized in such occurrences. Eventually, much later, he could verify his conclusions. So that was done by photographic impressions of marks left by materialized matter on clay or putty. This was one more method that he used. So he procured several photographs of the imprints left by ectoplasmic projections, which are also called as rods. So direct sight, he used the staining method. The staining method was invented and used with major success by Crawford to detect the movements of the ectoplasm. So ectoplasm attaches very well to substances like powdered carmine, and when it is put in the ectoplasm's path, one can find a track of color. So this was another method employed by Crawford to study ectoplasm. So hence every conclusion derived from the phenomena themselves is confirmed by the vast number of photographs taken of every single detail. The medium, now the book goes on to say that the medium was fully conscious during all the experiments conducted. So, having discussed the introduction and the methodology, the next section of the video will deal with the findings. This will be discussed in the next video. Stay tuned.